Hi everyone, this is a video introduction to document formatting. So go ahead and log into stcc.edu. Under eTools, select Blackboard. You'll be prompted to put in your username and password. Your username should be the first part of your email and your password should be your student ID number, and then select document formatting. It opens up to announcement page, and I have a short announcement and then also an overview of the course. And then you'll be referring to the links on the left hand side. You have faculty contact information and the office hours. They're by Zoom. We'll get back to that in a minute. Then you have course syllabus. They're both Word documents, and if you click the link it takes you right to the file to open up and your outline for document formatting. And then you have course content. We'll go back to that after. MindTap access. This is in order to register your access code. It's a video that you'll watch, and I'll show you the instructions for where that is. But this is the course link, and once you click that, it'll start the process where you have to create a profile. I'll get back to lessons and tasks and video link reflection and discussion board. These are quick links, but they're also in course content, so I'll be going back to that later. You have My Grades, and everything that you'll be doing throughout the semester will be listed in your My Grades. It starts off as a dash until you complete the assignment, then it turns to a yellow exclamation point waiting for my review, and then it turns to a grade with a comment. A blue balloon is a comment, so just click that blue balloon and you'll see a comment there. VDI access. This is new for STIC students and campus. It's called Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, and it's a wonderful feature. What happens, some people have computers that are either can't support Microsoft Office, or they're working on a Chromebook, and Chromebooks do not support Microsoft Office, so how do you complete things if you need to do it in Word or Excel? This will actually take you to the desktop in the computer lab on campus. So when you click this, it'll take you to the STCC Net portal where you have to put in again your username and your password, and then it takes you to the actual, I left it for a minute, but it actually takes you to what you would see on the desktop in the computer lab in Building 2. It has two windows, so you would work off of the top window, and then anything that's on the campus computer, you have access to it right here. It's amazing. So if your computer doesn't support the Microsoft Office suite or any of the software that you need, you can actually use your access to the virtual desktop. And just make sure when you're finished that you click your little profile in the top right corner and end the session. Next, I have lots of resources. So this is the Cengage resources for tech support, or if you're using other Cengage products, you could have a dashboard. This is again that access to the free Microsoft Office. I have that in a lot of places. Here's the video for registering your MindTap Cengage access code, and if you scroll down a little bit, there is a play button and you'll watch a video, but it'll be in this size. If you want it to be full screen, you can click this link right here. It'll take you right to full screen. The Zoom meetings, they're links. It'll take you right to the actual Zoom meeting. The first one's tomorrow at 10. So these are drop-in sessions. They are not actual class meetings. They're a place and time for you to come and ask a question. So there'll be Monday through Friday, or Monday through Thursday, different times, and this is the same link. It's reoccurring office hours, so you can drop in at any time. I have lots of STIC resources. Just click the link and it'll take you right to that topic. So I have lots to choose from in case you have a question and you can't find it on the website. I have it listed here for you. And there's also the online digital resources if you have any concerns about Blackboard or digital tools and so forth. Blackboard Help and pop-up. Sometimes when you go to a website, you get a message up at the top and you're blocked from that website. These are directions on how to enable the pop-ups from either Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Internet Explorer so that you can gain access to that website without any problems. So let me go back to course content, and this is where you'll start for week 1, which ends Saturday. If you click it, you have an overview of what we'll be doing for the week, and then you can either continue through the pages through the link here or on the right hand side, and it just goes through the pages. Here are their learning outcomes for this particular week, and this is the discussion board. If you click that, it'll take you right to the discussion, and I'm going to continue on. And there's what's called a video reflection, and I'll share you with that later, but I'm not going to click that. Just go to the next page. And again, I have that MindTap registration. I have it at a couple places so you can access it quickly. And these are the tasks that you'll actually be required to do for this week. And if you go ahead and click the Open Lessons Tasks, it's the same thing as clicking right here, just like the discussion board or the video link. So you can get to those assignments or discussion board or the links either within table of contents, the course content, or quick links here. So I'll open up the lesson tasks here. Again, I have that registration. You're going to see it a lot. So this is just showing you if I have a lot of videos with assignments, and the first one it shows up in this size. Usually people click this button here to go full screen on their computer, but it doesn't work. If you actually click the words YouTube, once the video started, it'll actually give you full screen. So I just wanted to share that with you. This is a Word document that gives you instructions on how to upload an assignment. So your first assignment is to capture a screenshot. So you'll watch this video, it's under 2 minutes, and then after watching the video, I want you to actually do a screenshot and save it and upload it. To upload it, click the link right here, capture a screenshot. Here's the assignment, upload the assignment. This is the due date and the points, the total points possible. There's the link again. But this is where you want to go to assignment submission, and you'll click browse my computer, find the file that you just saved, and then click it and choose open, and then it'll come under here as a file that you've included. And if you want, you can write a comment or share some notes with me, and then click submit, and you've submitted your first assignment. So you will be doing the capture screenshot, split screen assignment, and this one's just a little over 2 minutes. This is an email assignment that you'll be doing, and there's a PowerPoint that you'll refer to, and then some instructions, and you'll actually send me an email. There's the discussion board prompt, your story of your first name, and then week 1, this is your reflection. So if we go to discussion board, you would choose create a thread, and here's the prompt right here, and you can give it a name, either week 1 or my name, my introduction, and then write your comment and then submit. And then you should go back to discussion thread and respond to one other student. And this is a weekly assignment. Underneath the discussion, let me go back to lessons and tasks. Underneath the discussion is the link to link and reflections. And here it is, the week, welcome to keyboarding, the due date, possible points. This is the video you watch. I always put the time. You'll watch the video. You'll open up this document here. It's a Word document, and you'll answer the one question based on that video, save it, and submit it. There'll be one of these each week. So that's actually from here. So the lessons will be in lesson 1, and those will be your lessons that you'll do for the week. And you can either access the discussion board at the bottom and the reflection on the bottom, or you can go directly to this link here. Here's the discussion board. They'll all be listed. Or you can go to the video link reflection, and they'll all be listed. So it's up to you how you get to it. As long as you each week do one video link reflection, one discussion board, and make sure you do all your lessons. We won't start actually working out of the textbook until week 2. If you have any questions, just send me an email. And the whole purpose of this class is the document formatting is to, you'll do a skills analysis test to see where you are now. And what we want to do is refine your skills. And at the end of the 15 weeks, the goal is to have excellent typing accuracy and speed, and that you've improved on your technique. Thank you.